I bought myself a package a couple days ago. Let me open this thing. If it is what I think it is, then I'll be surprised. Let me get all this packaging out first. Oh my god, I'm actually holding this in my hands. Ranger keys. In case you don't remember, there was this show in Japan called Kaisoku Sentai Gokaiger, or in America they turned it into Power Rangers Super Mega Force, which everyone hates. But Gokaiger was actually pretty good. The gimmick of that show was that, well, since it was an anniversary season, they would use these keys and put them into their weapons so they could transform into whatever ranger they wanted, past or future. So I got the belt that goes along with it, and the Mobirates, the mobile pirates, which is where they put their keys into. So I can't believe I'm actually doing this, but I'm opening my present early. It's the 13th. It was expected to arrive on the 27th. I can't believe this. It's so amazing. Oh wait, how do the sounds work? Or do I, oh, I probably need to put batteries in. I'll do that later. Okay, got the batteries. I figured out there was a easier way to open this compartment. There's this tiny, tiny little button that you press in, and then you slide the thing out, so you can reveal the battery compartment. It takes triple A's. So, okay. Moment of truth. Okay. Now, let's start with the keys. This is Gokaiger, or Mega Force. So, if I manage to do this right, it should be able to, you know, do the usual. So this is the symbol of the team on the back of the key, which is nice. And then, once I put this in, and I turn it, okay, it's the same thing. That's an awesome attention to detail. And the buttons actually work on this thing, unlike the toys in the US. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. That's a weird sound. Okay, this is the Ranger, or the Mighty Morphin key. Okay, the next one is Car Ranger, or Turbo. Okay, this is Hurricaneger, or Ninja Storm. And this is the symbol on the back. And the last one, which I don't think many of you Power Rangers fans know, but you Super Sentai fans might know this as Battle Japan from Battle Fever. So I'm going to put this key in. There's the symbol of the team on the back. And then Oh wait. There we go. And basically, my dad gave me like $50, and my mom gave me a $10 to do anything I wanted. That's probably my dad texted me about opening the. Oh, it's my mom this time. Okay, have a tree. I'll be done with it tomorrow. Okay. This is gonna be awkward since my dad already told me to open the present. Let me talk to her real quick, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, talk with mom. Okay, apparently I won't stop doing that until I insert the ranger fee. Excuse me a second. Okay, so apparently pressing the very top button that looks like a star, well, just keep on doing that. But if you press it again, then everything goes back to normal. Okay. I'm gonna try that again. I forgot to turn it around first.